Hello all, this is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and this video is going to be a very interesting one. This is about breakout pattern, and we have found some stocks which are giving some active breakouts, and some are about to give some breakouts. So we gotta wait and watch and trade. So that's how it is going to be like. Nothing is intraday, but I think I can trade on a personal terms and just see how it's getting reacted on the particular zones or particular levels and trade accordingly. Yeah, let's get into this stock. This first one is Britannia Industries. I'm just checking out on the weekly time frame. Always make sure whenever you have some resistance and you are drawing some resistance or trend line, it is having more of touches. The more the touches, the more the confidence, and we can expect we can't expect a much fake ones can be avoided. So it is better to have minimum 2 or more points to be adjusted whenever you draw any kind of pattern drawing. So this one is more like a flat pattern. So I'm having a big pole which is around it is let's not concentrate on the target levels now, just focus on these levels. So once last week was a convincing week and it has given a big breakout, but don't get hurried up and just enter blindly. It is better to have a retracement at 3517 and 3530 levels, or even if it comes down here you can have some more addition. But when this level is taken out, it is considered to be an SL, but there could be some kind of fake SL, fake SL triggers can happen here, since it's a very strong level. And I'm seeing, see you, the by nature itself we have some strong support over here. So but I'm saying I don't see any such thing happening nearby now. So let's wait for the retracement levels, and it has to be a smooth transition of 4 months of time, and I'm expecting a target of 5373. Let's not calculate on the levels and profit points. It has to be very organic, and let's concentrate on the process. um, so we'll keep this chart posted, and time to time with I'll give you some updates on these points. So let's see how this goes from next week. Yeah, so Britannia is one stock which you can go for a positional one, and secondly we can have Balakrishna Industries, which is another candidate who's having a symmetrical pattern, and I'm expecting a strong sides breakout on either side, and we need to trade accordingly. So since it's a symmetrical breakout, I'm expecting upside, but let's not be judgmental, since it can always be tempting to go on one side, but never do that. We need to be sticking to the ground rules of pattern trading, that whenever you trade, either you trade on breakouts or you trade at the lower levels. It has to be only those ways. So when it comes here, it should be always short then, and I expect a breakdown on this side, and I'm expecting a target of 1300. If it is breaking upside, I'm expecting a target of 2000. So trade accordingly. If you have some kind of pullback or hammer around this spot, never hesitate to have an buy entry. That's how I will always trade. Try to have your entries when you plan to sell. Try to sell here. When you plan to buy, you try to buy here or here. Whenever you have some strong pullbacks, kind of stuff. So that's how you need to trade, and that's how you can survive. So, or else your SLs will be long, and you can't wait much longer. So I'm expecting, don't try expect and then trade. So it'll be bad then. If you just go on the wrong side, just react to the market, and then decide and trade. So that's how it has to be. So it's a very strong pattern. I'll also keep an update on this chart as well from time to time, and see how this one goes. And any breakout about 151715 definitely is gonna move up until 2000 rupees. So um, we can just sit tight and see what is happening here. And next stock is one sec, is Britannia, and one other one is Barrack Standards, and the third one is going to be like Burger Paints, I guess. So Burger Paints is also another candidate. Uh, just a moment. So here we need to trade accordingly. So don't get too excited. So always wait here for the here you can enter for the buy level. There is no harm in it because your SLF is very close, and you can wait much long. But don't enter here itself. It can be a trap, or um, always try to enter even if it is breaking out. Just wait for the retracement levels and then go for it. So definitely, and the targets, sorry, I haven't marked it. Let me mark it now. So it has to be like the height of this particular zone. So from 675 to um, 792. So let's calculate the point. 675 to 792. It is like approximately 790 minus 675 gives you 115 points. Either side breakout will definitely give you like minimum of 765, plus it can be 880, your first target on the upper end, and let me mark it horizontal line, 880 on the upper side, and on the downside it can be 718 minus 118, 115, sorry. So it has to be 603. So it has to be somewhere around this point. So more of support levels I'm seeing. So just trade accordingly. Have your entries planned, and I'm expecting again downside over here. Um, let's see. Again, I should not predict. We just need to react to the markets. So since it's near to the upper zone, it is better we can go for sell and see if it is breaking out. Just hold on to it and see, and whether we have some proper retracement levels and with good volumes. I definitely suggest, see, there is a one big spike here. Keep an eye on the candle level as well, and then trade accordingly. So it just keep descending. That's how I'm seeing it now. So um, any strong downside, it might definitely come around 603. See, whenever you have it sell or put option, or you just sell a future, from 770 to 815, you'll be having a 30 points or 50 point loss max. But then when you just win this trade, you'll be having somewhere around 170 points of profit, which is like 1:3 easily. So we got to be very patient and trade accordingly. Always try to run your winners. That's how we can become rich. Rather, having thousands and making thousands will not help you making rich. So just stick to the ground rules, trade accordingly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please stay tuned with my channel and subscribe, and put any comments you have. If you have any doubts, I'll definitely reply you back. And thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.